What up, YouTube? Today we finna, the homie Mo that assembled the electric bike with me, he's gonna help me do the clutch cartridge replacement. This is the new one. I was already polishing it up a little bit, so that's why it looks a little fucked up. But this is the new one. This is the broken one, as you can tell. You can hear it. And you could even see right there on the side, that's just pushing. So this is the cartridge replacement. Dog. We'll see how it goes. I just polished this shit up a little bit with a little wire wheel, and that's it. So I think we just need to pop these rings off, pull this middle shaft out, and that'll pretty much be it. Let's see. So homie's got the tool right here to take the ring off. Look at that. It's not gonna go flying across the room with a flathead. So this is what I got from OMB warehouse. Usually I shop with Smallenginecams though. That's a fact. The cord, so you know what's coming out of where. How about the other side? What else?
My brother.
Oh, look at that shit. So this clutch is a little broken, so it's a little harder to get out than one that isn't broken would be. But there it is. Took off the back ring and pushed it out from the inside pretty much. And shit, there's fucking rings everywhere. So hopefully Mo knows how to put them back, because I see rings fucking everywhere. Where do they grease it at? Is that the problem? The spring is literally broke.
Basically what they grease is they grease the shaft.
Oh, they oil that. I seen it in a video. They oil it.
They grease the. This is the thrust bearing. Then this is the bearings in the gear.
Oh, okay.
You grease that too. Basically just these three, and then you put it back together. But whenever you take it apart, it's always best just to clean the debris on the inside.
Let me go get a towel from my car.
Now I just need to take this
pretty much just that middle shaft off, but look at the fucking difference in this shit to that shit. Oh my god.
Damn.
Jesus. That shit's literally like
lines are
flat.
gone.
Lines are gone. It's literally like, but look at it from the side. You see how this one pops out a little bit? This one like goes in. Like that one goes in. This shit's
That shit's sunken in.
Yeah, this one's supposed to be, it's popping out a little bit. So I think it was due for a clutch replacement, but it did blow up, you know, the spring or whatever, but I put over 500 plus miles on it, maybe 1,000 miles on it, have been on it, I have no idea. So it was much needed. Taking off the top ring now, after this shit's apart. So look at that, the spring is completely broke. Crazy. Old clutch, took the shaft out. So this shit needed major replacement, as you could see. It's supposed to be popping out like the other one, and it ain't. One of the springs is broken. You could fix it, But here's the new one, so time to tighten up these bolts, because they come loose from the factory and I never fucked with them. Get a screwdriver so you don't fuck that up. So this piece, we're gonna reuse this, of course. Shove this through, trying to put some oil on it. Doesn't matter what type of oil you put, but put some oil on this so you can grease it. This is the old one, this is the new one. This is the side we're using.
Pepper.
Cat and dog. Double. Cat and dog. I was like, where'd that bird at? But he in the tree. So what pieces do you want to oil? Is the
Basically,
question.
just the
All the rings?
just the
All the
needle
ones that
bearing.
look like that? Oh,
Yeah,
and then that one right there?
and then the thrust bearing.
Oh,
And if you want, you could grease this up too. The shaft right here.
yeah.
Grease it up a bit, not too much.
I don't see how the thrust bearing is even really being used if it's just right there, you feel me?
Yeah.
Like it's in between two washers. So here we're looking at Mo's mini bike build that he's doing right now. Custom frame, custom hydraulic disc brake setup in the back, custom shocks, and he's gonna do a custom motor setup. You see the exhaust is on the top, middle, not on the other side. This is a Briggs & Stratton motor, I guess. He's almost done with. He just needs to do get the carb boot to put the carb. Got the exhaust custom setup that he did. He took off the stock one, which is right here, cut off the flange, and he modified it to work with this one right here. So that's pretty good. So plug in the throttle, put a carb. This Briggs & Stratton 6.5 horsepower should be running pretty soon. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked the clutch fix and the mini bike right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.